Meg Stallion can do it, I can do it.
And if somehow you feel like turning up for me, you got to pay and only pay.
Morning, so I'm heading to class, and this is my last week for the semester. So I didn't feel like going. I'm not even gonna lie, I did not feel like coming to this class today. But I'm like, you know, it's the last day, so let me just go to class, get out the house, you know. But I have finished damn near everything. I just need one more paper. Actually, I just need to finish it. I need to. I have like 500 words left. The assignment is 900 words. Yeah, I think I have like 5 or I don't know, but it needs to be done by Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so I know I'm making good timing. But yeah, I'm gonna talk when you guys already know the routine. When I get to Starbucks, yeah, I know I'm always going to Starbucks. I need to save money. That was, but it's okay. When I get to Starbucks, we're gonna talk. I'm going to vent. You guys know I like to vent to you guys. Dang, it's empty in this parking lot. Yeah, I don't think a lot of people come in today. But okay, let me find a parking spot. So welcome guys to a day in the life of a college dropout going back to school as an adult. So coming to the school, it's a little different. We're gonna talk about all that in just a minute. But today I have class. I am about to just drink this strawberry acai. This is what I always get. I get with apple juice. So this is like the last week of school. Hopefully, well, I'm supposed to graduate next year. Yeah, I feel like I haven't fully taken advantage of this because this is the only semester where we were on campus. Like last semester, which was my first semester here, we was on Zoom because you know the pandemic. Okay. Okay, I cannot get the perfect lighting, so bear with me. So I'm gonna eat my sandwich quick. They didn't have what I wanted, so second option. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna talk. I don't know. So today's vlog is gonna be like a day in the life. I don't know actually what I'm gonna call it, but I do not know why it's not opening. But I have so much content that's coming, like I said earlier, and as soon as I finish this paper, I'm going to like give my all to all the videos I need to edit when I get home. Okay, I'm almost at 600 words. I need 900. So that being said, what time is it? I'm being mindful of the time. So that being said, I hope that you do consider subscribing to my channel. My channel is all about entrepreneur life vlogs, beauty, lifestyle. It's a lot of genres in one, but everything goes hand in hand. And if Meg the Stallion can do it, I can do it. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm just gonna work on this paper for a little bit. Actually, I have like about 15 minutes before class starts. If I finish the paper today, I'm going to work on vlogs and working on content to post. I have so much stuff to do. It's ridiculous, but I need to post something too today.
Born son stole from it. He never had a chance, so we all know it's 'cause he black. Shot me 16.
Okay, so class is over. I just took my COVID test. Every week I have to take a COVID test, so that is done. It is early. I kind of want to go home, but I don't. I don't have nothing to do but homework, and I do not feel like doing homework. So probably when I go, yeah, I'll probably just relax and then finish this paper. I need to finish this paper by today. It's due Thursday, but I need to finish it today. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, so yeah, we're off to head home. Shipping orders. Ship the 2 orders. I love shipping orders. As soon as somebody places an order, I do try to ship it that day or the following day. That's why I keep on going to the post office. It looks like I'm going a lot, but I've been making sales. I'm so grateful, so blessed. Me and Mom are so grateful, so blessed. So I have class at 12:15. It's on Zoom, so it's okay. So I have about an hour. I am hungry. There's no food in the house. I need to go to the grocery store. So I may go to the grocery store after my classes. And next week is actually the last week of school. So I need to go a little bit hard with like homework and all that. As in I'm looking at the, let me see. So that being said, I'll probably get some food. I know I'm always going to Starbucks, but I'm thinking about going to Starbucks to get like a little breakfast sandwich and then head home and then get ready for class and all that. I have a video I wanted to upload. I'm probably not going to upload it until I probably could upload it today. The video I'm thinking about uploading is Sunday's vlog. Sunday we did a pop-up in, oh sorry, turn this down. We did a pop-up in Riverside, and on Saturday it was Long Beach. Long Beach vlog is already up, go check that out. But the Riverside, I'm literally almost done. I just need to edit a few more things, make sure everything's good. And I always tell myself I need to stop eating out, but it's like, I'm hungry. Or should I just, let me think. I'm debating whether, of course, I ended up at Starbucks. So funny. I wanted to try something new, but I didn't. They actually don't have anything here. No sandwiches. I can't. It comes with sea salt chips. Those wrapped off cute. I wasn't going to Starbucks, but they didn't have any sandwiches. That makes me, well, it does make sense. They're popular. That's how it looks when you cut it. Okay. Looks good. Let's see if it's worth $8. Ooh, I can't even rip it open. Okay. I can't. All right, let's see. It's okay. It's okay. So, I'm debating if I will buy this again. It's kind of dry. I probably, yeah, I need something to drink.